So this is a comment from Nolan Dive. What happened to the flipping cards? You created all this code for it and we never set it up. The funny thing is, I thought we had, and so I finished this video. This is the Blackjack video from 7 years ago, something like that. I know it's all about the whole game working, but that you're quite right, we didn't. And what happened was, this is the toggle face here, which just flips the cards over, but the actual debug one, it actually shows the cards. So I'm going to copy and paste this code here, and hopefully it should just work. So if we're showing the face, then what we want to do is we want to go and grab that there, and paste that in there. So comment that out there, and then the other one is going to be this one here. So just for completeness more than anything else, and we don't need that one there either. So that code comes from the debug change card, which is actually an immediate mode GUI. I don't know why, but the card model is the current one, so we don't need the card model, so they don't need a reference for that. Get rid of that one there, and get rid of that one there, but we do need a flipper version. So on awake we can do flipper equals flipper equals get component card flipper, and we will generate field flipper. You can see this is old because we don't have the underscores and things in there. So we'll get rid of that there because we don't need that. We don't actually use the sprite renderer at all now. And we can get rid of that. And we can get rid of that. And we can get rid of that. And this should flip the cards around. And it should be as quick as that, I'm hoping. So let's run this now. Hold on, it's thinking about it. Okay, here we go. So when we press play, it should flip the cards. Hold on. Alright, so we're 8 and 4. Oh, see, it's flipping the cards already. Oh well, let's toggle face, show face. Are we calling this all the time? That doesn't seem right, does it? We should only be calling it this is card flipper. Card flipper, okay. Toggle face true false. Card stack view, toggle face. Okay, and then we pass that in there. Why is that calling it all the time? I think it shouldn't be calling it all the time. That doesn't seem right. Did I do this and then I realized it didn't work, so I just kept it out of the video? It's nice going back to your code and seeing what things are. So this is obviously not right. Oh, it's even flipping between the two wrong ones as well. Oh yeah, that's not good. Oh dear. Okay. So where's card flipper? So card flipper is that. Wait for next week's update. And then what we're gonna do, this is just, okay, so it's flipping that there. So it flips. We get that the curve, so it does that kind of ease in, ease out. And then this one here, after it's halfway through, then we set the sprite render to be that. But it should stop flipping after that. Like, we're not calling flip card all the time. We're just calling it once. So toggle face, and then we pass that in there. So I wonder how many times this gets called. Let's see. So this should only get called once per card. But I'm wondering if it's getting called multiple times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and then it gets called again. So it's getting called from add card. Is this getting... Oh wait, where's this getting called? Card flipper. Oh, that's why. Okay, right. So it's calling back to this one here, toggle face, and really it should be not that. Okay, so let's do that there. Actually, let's finalize. Let's call it ended, and let's change that to that there. And then inside toggle face, we'll copy that there, and call that ended. Do we even need that? I don't even know if we do. Let's just have that there and just see if we need that. I'm not entirely sure we do need that. But the problem is it's looping. It's basically it's calling itself, which is not good. Which means it's getting stuck in a wee bit of a loop there. Okay, so this should show there. See, it's flipping there and it's the wrong cards. So let's do our hit. So it's showing the card there, and then we do hit, and then we lose, play again, do hit, and hit, and stick. Okay, so it looks like it's sort of behaving itself. So we've got either 13 or 3, so let's do hit. So now we've got 13, do hit again, so that gives us 20, stick, and we won. Okay, it's not quite how I thought it'd be. I mean, the problem is you're adding the two cards at the same time. Let me stick there, and I'm losing. Okay. So we don't need the end part there, although we're getting the wrong cards here, which I don't like, and that's not also, that's not good. Why is that coming out there? Index out of range. Card index. What is card index? Oh, card index is way out of range, that's why. Okay, so it's continually adding new cards there for some reason. Deck get cards, okay. Add card. Let me add card, model toggle face faces up. Okay. Let's call that no animation. Because we don't want to add. This is when we add the cards. We don't want to add it with an animation to start with. So if we go back to our card model, we do need that sprite. Private sprite renderer, and goes that, and then we've got toggle face no animation, and then there, and then instead of flipper flip card, we just want to do renderer dot sprite equals, and it's going to be faces index -1, faces card index -1. Card index, isn't it? Card index. Oh, is that why that's not working? Okay, and then this one here is renderer dot sprite equals card back, and that should fix that bit there, so it's not going to keep flipping over and over again, and it should also fix the problem with the index out of range, because it should stop it creating a whole bunch of cards that it shouldn't have, because it should have 55. What's happening here? Yeah. Card model. Oh, right. Toggle, no animation. That one there, that one there. Okay. And that should fix that. And we just wait for Unity to recompile and then run it away. It's a good question, by the way. Thanks very much for posting that. Okay, so we don't have these ones here, so then we go hit, and then we're back to the no animation again. Well, that's good. Okay, right, we're back to no animation again. So when I go to card model and because when I hit, let's see where all these get used. So toggle face no animation is getting used. Add card, no. So this is flip inside card flipper, and then inside card stack view this is add card. Oh, right, okay. So this is, hold on, where's this getting added? This is getting added in the hit. So if we go to hit here, this is calling game controller hit. Okay. Game, oops. Controller, and we want hit. Okay, and then this is player push. Okay, so player in push and cards add, and let's do let's add that one there. Card add that. Oh dear. Who decided this was a good idea? Let's see where we go here. That one there. So when we add a card here, this is the only place it gets used. Okay, so then we want to do add a card for the card stack view, and then when we add a card, oh my god, this is overly complicated. Sloan, what were you thinking? Yeah, it's going to do that there. It's going to do the no animation one. So really, when we come into here, when we add a card here, we want to do the animation. So I'm going to say true here, and then in add card, we're going to say boolean do animation equals false. So we default it to false, and I'm going to move these onto separate lines to make it just a little bit easier to read, because it's shooting off there. And then I'm going to say and if do animation model.toggle face fetched cards card index is face up, else do that. Okay, so it should only do it when we add to the card, add to the player stack. Will it? No, it will. Yeah. Okay. So we go to game, and then we do hit. No. Hit. No. Oh, wait. That's only saying if fetch cards contains index. How is it like? See, you go back to look at your code from 6 months ago, or in this case, 7 years ago, and you think to yourself, what were you thinking? So I think the problem is if I hit this now, this is going to hit in here, isn't it? When I click the hit button. This is not the 5-minute fix that I thought it was going to be. I'm telling you that. I thought I had a grip on the code there, but I don't think I do. Why does it do this? Does anybody know why Unity does this? Hopefully I can cut this bit out and it's not boring for everyone, but this is it's taking a while. Oh, hold on. That's why it's taking a while. Okay. So that's going into card. I don't want it in card. And then we go, okay. Continue. Right. That was my bad. Okay. And then when we do push card added, blah 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 blah, and then we get into the game controller, and then that puts that into there, and eventually card stack view. Right, okay, so we want to set a breakpoint in here. So when I add a card, why is this adding a card to it? Why is this adding a card? Animation is face up. Okay. Okay. I don't see why that's getting called every update. That seems bizarre. Okay, so I click on hit. Okay, that's going into here where I thought it was going to go, and then it's not. Yeah, it's not doing the right thing. So it's position of blah 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 blah, and then the card copy is this thing here. Fetch cards, add. So fetch cards, add is going to add it to that card view, and then let's fetch cards. It's just a list, isn't it? And then that's going to add that to there. Okay. And then return. So this then adds it again. So it says, does it contain key card index? And it does. And then it says this one here, to animation. So this is coming from show cards. Oh my god, this is the worst. Who decided, like, why is this calling update? Why is update being called show cards? Show cards for each. Why is this adding a card? If deck has cards, add the cards. This just why? All right, I think at this point we've realised that this is a nightmare program. There's so much. It's like all this weird spaghetti code come together in this one thing, and I think I was trying to make it like do everything for everybody. All right. I just need to figure out how it's gonna, why that's being hit there. I'm gonna pause it for just a sec, and I'm gonna come back after I figure it out. It's this line here. Okay, so you need to if do animation, do that, else don't do the animation. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do toggle face up, and then when we run it, the spaghetti. Don't write spaghetti code. Okay. Maybe I should go back and rewrite this app from ground up, or this example from ground up. Yeah, see, it's flicking there and it flicks out to there. But when I hit, it should do the flip card thing there, which is right, and then flip again, which I'm bust, and play again. And then I hit, and that should be good. So I'm 20, so I'm going to stick, and they should be bust. Okay, so there's the card flip animation working anyway. It's not the prettiest. I'm going to stick there as well. It's not the prettiest, but it looks like it's working just now. Anyway, I thought I'd answer your question by doing a bit of code. Hopefully that's helped. But yeah, the code was there. It's just it was in the debug change card thing, and not in debug script. I should say thing. In the debug script, but not in the actual card stack / flipper thing. Yeah, I think this application could be, this game, sorry I keep calling it an application, this game could be simplified, I think, and rewritten to be, sorry, I've got wind chimes here where I'm staying, to make it simpler. And obviously the code needs tidied up a wee bit and things, so I think maybe that's a project for another day. But thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate you spend the time to see me faff around through this 7-year-old piece of code. But until next time, thank you again. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share on social media. And if you want a timely reminder when I put a new video up, which will be a new video hopefully next time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and YouTube will let you know when I put something up. But until next time, thank you again. I've said thank you so many times there. I do appreciate you. Regular service will soon be, but right now I'm kind of living out of a suitcase just now. Not ideal, but hope to see you all soon. Catch you in the next one. Bye.